Hello, I'm Mackie.
And Molly.
And this is our vlog. Welcome to episode 1. It's your 4th time camping, my boy. I have brought the ingredients to make our favorite pizza.
Wait, the pickle pie?
Yes.
No way. It's crazy. I can't believe you did that.
And listen to that sound. I think that was a car. I thought it was going to be the creek rushing water. It was actually a car, but you know what? We've been here an hour. My head is there. We've been here an hour, and I didn't even know there was a road over there. It's just so dark, and so I thought that, I mean, the creek is over there. I don't know. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, ranch explosion. Hallelujah. Splish splash, taking a bath. Thoughts?
Great.
It's pretty good. I think it needs a little more dill, but other than that,
It's pretty warm. In the pan. Oh,
all right.
See, it's steaming. So.
Ooh. Neat stretch. Ooh, it's frying. I'm scared. Oh boy.
And we're cooking like, however we can make it like an oven.
Oh, perfect. Looks so good.
It's not too burned. And now we can put the toppings on. What do you think?
Yeah. Remember that time we ate a potato with a little green on it, and then we went to sleep. And the note was like, "If you find us dead, we ate green potatoes." These are pickle ribbons from the time I insisted on making a pickle ribbon pizza. And I thought it would look pretty, and it did, but because you took a bite, and even though these are mandolin pickles, you basically had a soggy little pickle eel in your mouth you had to slurp up.
Come on, man.
And it wasn't cute. It wasn't as cute as I thought it would be. And basically, these are the leftovers from that. And let me get some more pickles, huh?
Yeah. Do you think this is really I don't think this is appropriate.
That's not appropriate. Excuse me.
You know?
I appreciate
It's just
that.
the skin. There's no pickle there.
Yeah.
Just the skin.
Foreskin.
I am disgusted.
And actually another really nice thing about camping in an RV park is that, like, by this time, it's 10:30 p.m. now. I mean, we're in a really quiet part of the campground, but, like, everyone's in their RVs, like, watching movies. So it's like...
Versus like
it's sort of more
listening
private,
to their like
chatter or
bad
like
music,
bad music or whatever. Everyone's like fucking in their RVs, and then of course you do have the bouge factor of potable water right here. Would you say that pizza is a perfect science?
No way. Total art form.
You're a philosopher.
Yeah.
And everyone's different, you know?
And like here,
That's just a little weird.
this is not
up
necessarily
to our
like, this is not
standards.
up to our standards. Playful. Oh, sketch. How am I doing?
Perfect.
Who's happy? Pizza party. Oh yeah, baby.
Just do more on your side, you know?
Oh! Don't be sorry. It's exciting.
Boy. Whoa.
She was born to pizza. Let's eat this motherfucker. Hey, Mambo. Don't really need one. Right? Okay, good. Real. I mean, lovely. Oh, cheers. Oh,
Cheers.
No. It's hitting. Oh my god, this is good. It's like we're out here celebrating the full moon and then I just got a pickled mustard seed. So fucking good. That needs to go on the pizza. Here's one. You want one? Just one? Like, really. It's like flavor bomb. Good morning. 7:30.
I realized that there's an arrow, so we're supposed to be that way.
It's almost 8 a.m. But we like to play this little game with these RVs. And we like to add the word anal before each one.
Why are you
Over
like
there.
this?
Anal Crusader.
Anal Crusader. Anal Weekend Warrior. Anal Pinnacle. The vintage. Anal Comfort. Okay.
I like that.
I really like that. It's my favorite. It's a really good one right there. Anal Surveyor. That one is worth mentioning. And then
Anal Adventure. Brioche Delicate.
yeah. Close, but ooh, that was a close one. I want mine over easy. Which one do you want?
Whichever.
Okay, there's this guy.
Put it on one side.
For moi. Some fried cheese on there.
Couple of names.
Double egg with fried cheese. One is over easy, one is sort of a maybe over hard, I don't know. Hash brown.
Dip.
You know what then?
Oh, that's nice.
This is the kind of sandwich I was hoping to
Yeah.
make. Forgot the avocado, but
It doesn't even need it. It's like,
oh my god. Hello. Whoa, look at that. Hazardous water conditions. Apparently nobody cares, huh? Okay, we're going back out to the road because that trail was a little too advanced. A little too long. It was cool. I'm glad we did it. But it's like we just don't know how much farther. This is the trash they speak of. Looks like people just dump. It's a dumping ground. Water break. It is about 80 out here, but the nice thing is that there is a bit of a breeze and there's plenty of shade. If you need to hang out in the shade all day, you can.
say, there was people down there with a whole table and chairs set up
Yeah,
by the
like
river.
8
Having a
seats,
meal.
like it was like a Thanksgiving table. The downside is there is a lot of trash. Once we got down to the major areas where people were hanging out, I mean, there's everything from used diapers to cardboard boxes to plastic cups, broken glass. I mean, chip bags, Easter eggs. Seems like people just come here in big groups and party. They eat their beef and cheese sticks and then they depart. Let us rate our campground. Did we like it?
I would. It was good, yeah. I liked how there was little things that like from a previous generation that were built kind of like a cement table, little like rock walls and like a little like concrete flat area that kind of made it different. Lots of trees, shade. Now if there was people in all the campsites right next to us, it would feel a little crowded, I think, but we were lucky and there wasn't many. There's more people staying in RVs than tents, you know?
Yeah, and
Water,
that's a Friday night.
Right in every camp spot. That's nice.
Yep. The water's not potable water, but that's all right. We still used it.
I mean, there was a sign on one that said no, not potable, but I assumed that all of them weren't. But
I would absolutely go back. We got in really late and we were afraid we weren't going to be able to get a fire pit, but luckily we were able to track someone down who was still working at like 9 p.m. and he was very nice and delivered us a fire pit for $5. They also sell wood there. And there's actually a trail that comes off the campground, which we didn't go on. But I think that would be cool if you're staying a little bit longer, a cool activity. And the creek runs right through, right adjacent to the campground. And all night we could hear the sounds of frogs, crickets, and flowing water. And in the morning we woke up to the sounds of birds chirping, a rooster in the distance, and the river flowing. And I really liked it. I thought it was nice. And it was clean. The bathrooms were really clean, and our campsite was clean. 10 out of 10 for me. Would go back. Us together, maybe in front of this pilot. Tinkling in serene places again. As you should always do. Leave it better than you found it. Thanks. There we go. That could have been someone's Diva cup, but whatever. Really cool experience.
yeah, it was great.
More trash. Goodbye, Bonita Falls. You truly were bonita.
$6.15 a gallon. What the fuck?
Chocolate shortbread, cracker cookies, Genoa mild salami, organic sourdough flatbread for you, 2 compostable plates, some utensils, and Vermont Farmstead Cheese Company brie, that looks fancy, and some honey, pure and happy. Sign that's here.
Lovey, what'd you think of Adobe Hill?
It's in the middle of nowhere, so it really has to be a destination it has to be an intentional destination. However, so worth it. So it's a beautiful drive. This time of day is gorgeous. The property is amazing. There's an amazing, beautiful view. Amazing! But not only that, it's woman-owned, and all the wines are organic and sustainable wines. Am I missing anything?
Dog-friendly.
Super dog-friendly.
10 out of 10 to me.
Get back. It's crazy because we just keep hearing these like sonic booms that are loud. They're far away, but you can sort of like feel them in your chest. They're so deep. And I guess they're from Camp Pendleton, which is miles away. Well, I got my mail late last night. A letter from a girl from the town to ride to a lonesome boy somewhere in the night. Send me a railroad ticket to take to a loving home. Big steel rail, boy, girl, on a highway.
Down. Good boy. There you go. Now stay. Stay.
He did for a second. You take a square. I brought extra parchment in case we need it for the cast iron. I wasn't sure. Let's cut this out. Lovey is doing so good. Let me just, I don't know if I've told you this.
I know, that's what I was thinking.
There's a bug in my hair, but I can't touch it. No, back here, behind my ear.
It's almost like a flying cockroach.
Yeah, one came on me earlier.
I don't know, that's what it seems like to me.
Looks
It's
like
kind of
that.
brown all. Oh no, there's a buggy in it.
I like to put tomatoes down and then arugula so it doesn't get the bread soggy.
Look at that.
Okay. Out of control. Brioche bun, tomatoes, impossible meat, don't come for us, cheese, caramelized onions, arugula, mayo, grey poupon, and did I mention homemade pickles? Good night.
This food's under there.
10:10 a.m. It's really foggy. The fog swept through last night and got everything super wet out here. Luckily, wasn't too big of a deal. Sandal's a little wet, but it's still kind of, you can feel the mist in the air. Mm-hmm. What do you think, buddy? What? Ooh, the chair's wet too. That tomato we said we were going to eat in the morning. I don't want to deal with it.
Like a thin.
Schmearing. Spackling.
It does kind of have the texture of spackle.
Good?
Delish.
Fine. They're going to love all the sesame seeds. I got myself.
I think the last one is the scariest though, you know? because it's like these ones stop a little bit, but it gets heavier as you go, you know. God. Okay, this is the scariest one, and you can't really do much about it. Oh. Ah.
If anyone has any tips for making that easier, please let us know.
I've never hurt myself, but I get scared every time.
Oh my god, I'm a Chipotle.
There's a number of campsites in here under a shady oak grove circle. And
cool little fireplace over there.
yeah, cool fireplace, and like I think there's only a few fire pits, so it's like some
Maybe like
share. Yeah, it looks like the fire pits are just like these.
You like to go first?
Here's the toilet.
There's two.
This is a really nice bathroom. Oh my god. Bathroom with a view.
Oh, and you shower on a boulder. Pretty cool. Under the sky. With hot water too. Nice.
Hell yeah, really?
Site 14. Good site. Really good site. Well, we hope you enjoyed our first vlog, our first adventure, and hope you will join us for more. Woo!